This video, I'm going to show you how to go to a new screen on iOS using Swift. We're going to use storyboards, but I'll show you how to use Swift UI in another video. But first, you click on Xcode, and then you'll click Create a new Xcode project. Then you just click Single View App. For the product name, you could just do, I don't know, new screen. This is not going to be a real app, so I'm just showing you how to do this. So we'll do, that's fine, yeah. So I chose, it's probably on Swift UI by default. So I'll just change it to storyboard, go to next, and I'll just create a new folder. So new page, I guess. Okay, so now you want to go to the main storyboard, which will let it load. And so we'll just click on it, just click right here. And then see this button at the bottom? Click, it says embed in view controller, just click navigation controller. So now you have a navigation controller. Alright, so we'll add a button to this screen. So up here there'll be a plus button, and the button's the first thing. So you hold down your left button on your left mouse button, and then you keep holding it. You drag it on here, so you're dragging it on there, so you don't let go until you want to put it down. So we'll just go ahead and put it down. See how kind of centered almost, but you have to add constraints. I'll just show you something simple. So we'll just do center horizontally first, or you could do vertically first. So to do this, you right click on the button and you hold it down. It's like you're dragging. You right click and you hold it down. You right you you hold down the right mouse button. You drag just somewhere on this, right here on the screen. So then you'll click center vertically in safe area, and then you'll do it again for center horizontally if you haven't done it already. So that will have it centered. So we need to we'll go ahead and change the text of this button. So I'll just do, I don't know, go to second screen. All right, and then we'll click this plus button again, and we'll just search for view controller. You hold that down and drag it right here. So you'll also we'll go ahead and add just a label, just so we know that it's the second controller. I'll just drop it right here. So we'll do this again. So hold down the right mouse button, you drag to the left or to the top anywhere. Center horizontally in safe area, center vertically in safe area. It's just a basic constraint. So now we also need to create a view controller class for this. See, it already created view controller for the first view controller, but we need to create another one. So we'll right click on new screen, click new file, click Cocoa Touch class, hit next, and we'll just call it second view controller. Add the language and make sure it's the subclass of UIViewController, and we're using Swift, of course. And just click create. So you have your second view controller. I guess yeah, you almost don't need this, but we could have reused the first view controller. But anyways, click on main storyboard again, and this time we'll click on the button again with the right mouse button and hold it down, and drag, but we'll drag to the second view controller. Well, first I'll actually, before we do that, I'll just show you how to connect. Click right here on the second view controller, and I'll just show you how to connect the, make sure you click the view controller. So we'll just type second view controller. You have to go to this inspector. What is it called? The identity inspector. If this bar is not showing right here, just click on this top right button up here. So these hide and show. So you just type this out, second view controller, and you'll just set it there. Just press enter. Okay, so now we'll go back here. I'll go ahead and hide this left side. So you hold down your right button and you'll click and drag it to the second view controller. I just want to show you, and you'll click show. So now this gives you a seg. And I just wanted to show you, set this as second view controller so you can actually see it at the top. Just so you know that. So automatically gives us a back button as well, but I'll show you that. We'll go ahead and change this as well. So you'll go to this, the attribute inspector right here. And so you'll set right here under text, this input field right here. Just type second view controller. You can type whatever you want really, but we'll save it. Okay, and then we'll run the app. Right, so you see we're on the first screen that's right here. Click go to second screen, and we're on the second view controller. So yeah, that's how you go to a new screen using storyboards on iOS. All right, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.